Welcome to Outdoor Adventure. Today we are going to split some logs, and this is our wood log chopping axe, and this is a normal axe. So you can see the huge difference between those two. That is a 3.2 kilo axe, and it splits the log really easily. Let me show you. Alright, are we ready, Anu?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's chop it. Let's go shopping. Shopping or shopping. So we are almost done, and before we chop the last two logs, I would like to talk a little bit on safety and technique. So normally we don't chop the logs on the ground like this. We have another big tree or a big log underneath to protect the axe, but underneath us here is actually frozen grass. So even if I chop the axe into the ground here, it will just chop soil which is now frozen. So there is no danger for the axe, and since there is not much wood for us to chop, we did it here today. Not that hard actually. And when it comes to safety, your two legs have to be really wide and as far away as possible. Make sure you don't have anything that disturbs you, so you can slip, so have a clean place to stay. Your axe is now there, so when I hit the wood, I want to be here for two reasons. One, this is the maximum leverage I can get with my body and the axe. The more leverage, the harder I will cut and hit that wood. And if anything happens, if I now miss the wood, it will hit the ground here. If I stay really close, I can easily hit my leg or my feet. So you should always keep a distance here. Bend your knees forward like that. To get a lot of power, I start with this grip. My left hand, since this axe is 3.2 kilo, I use my left arm to raise the axe here, and then I let it slide with my both hand here. So this is like a one motion, up and boom, up, boom. I will do it hard now. Here's one other important thing when you're chopping logs. Branches, they are really nasty. They go all the way into the core here. This is a really small one, but sometimes you have really big branches and they are super hard to cut through. So what I do, I take the axe and I chop like an angle here and an angle here. So I chop around this branch to avoid it. If you chop straight to it, it's really hard. So I will try to chop this log around that branch. So I will chop that in an angle from here. And then I will look at the branch here, and now I will chop on the other side of it. can also tell you why we chop them so big. Most people have really tiny logs, but we find it really good to have thick logs like that, because when we put them in the fire they burn for a long time and keep the winter nights warm. So we're chopping our logs quite big. I think we're done.
Yes.
Well done. And Anu, you have to be in the picture. Let me show you the axe wife. Where are you? There. Well done, Anu. Nice. Now we just have to move them over there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
In our own house.